What is HelloTalk?
HelloTalk is a free language exchange app that connects users with native speakers from all over the world. Its main goal is to help people improve their language skills through real conversations. By using chat, voice, and video features, learners can practice naturally, ask questions, and receive instant feedback, all within a supportive global community.
Getting started and setting up.
To begin, download HelloTalk from your App Store and create a free account. Select your native language and the language you wish to learn. You'll then set up your profile, highlighting your interests and learning goals. This helps others find you for potential language exchanges. Once set up, you'll be ready to search for language partners best suited for your practice needs.
Finding and connecting with native speakers.
Use the Search and Moments features to explore profiles of native speakers willing to help. Search lets you filter by language and location, while Moments works like a social feed, allowing you to interact with posts in your target language. Send a friendly greeting or comment to start conversations and build connections with speakers around the world.
Practicing language skills for free.
HelloTalk offers chat, voice, and sometimes video calls, all without charge. You can write messages, exchange voice recordings, and use built-in tools like translation and pronunciation assistance. Many users correct each other's messages directly in the chat, turning every conversation into a learning opportunity. Consistent use helps build confidence and fluency in your chosen language.
Staying safe and making the most of HelloTalk.
Exploring a global community means practicing basic online safety. Share personal details cautiously and use in-app tools to block, report, or filter out unwanted contacts. To maximize progress, set clear learning goals, keep an open mind, and engage with a variety of speakers. With regular, friendly exchanges, HelloTalk can be a powerful, free resource for mastering a new language.